Why are ethical risks such a gigantic risks for organizations using artificial intelligence, especially if you're in the field of, say, military, transportation, health, or recruitment? In those fields, you really need to care about ethical risks, anything that can harm an individual, a group of people, or society at large. So how does this actually work for an artificial intelligence tool? Okay, let's say you're an organization, it has a hiring squad that is going to be using an artificial intelligence tool. Now, your AI tool is not properly configured. It seems to be getting data from, say, let's say the zip code, let's say the postal code, or quite frankly, there could be a lot less ethical ways of choosing candidates. But those are not the criteria that you should be using usually for selecting a candidate. And this is just one example. If you are in some ways excluding part of society by the tools that you are using, if you are generating outputs that can be harmful to different people, let's say younger people under the age of 18, let's say that it's harming certain people of certain ethnicities, of certain beliefs, then absolutely your tools should not be working for that. Absolutely not. And this can actually happen for a lot of organizations, even if they've only implemented something like an AI chatbot. There are absolutely people who are testing the limits of these AI chatbots. And if you're an organization of any size that is, publicly facing with its AI tools, you can absolutely have those risks. But it's not even just the organizations that have a public AI presence. You have ethical risks from any of your operations that will be using artificial intelligence. If it excludes the people you are hiring, if it excludes products to certain people or even organizations, if it is making decisions on employees, even on evaluations, then absolutely these are crucial ethical problems. You need to ensure fairness, need to ensure lowering the bias, greater transparency, give explainability to your tools, and try to find ways of monitoring all of that so that you can really vouch that your tools are as transparent and as explainable as they can be.